Judgment Day, the Comedy Central Roast of AKA premieres on Comedy Central 11th March with the extended and uncut version on Showmax 12th March.
I can't fucking believe Papa Penny is a councillor in Limpopo. Now we are all fucking surprised that there's no textbooks in Limpopo when this bra is a fucking councillor. Nah, Papa Penny, you have what it takes to become a great president, my friend. Singing, entertainment, speaking cuck for long, 25 children, illiteracy, what the fuck? I can't believe a guy is illiterate when he walks around with his brain on his head. You the type of guy when I say 1 + 1, you say, give me an example.